channel. Today I have a super exciting video and I don't even know how this is possible, but yeah. So here I have this Nike box and I'm going to be unboxing this. This is a pre-loved item even though these haven't been worn, so yeah, but still, I can't believe that. And these aren't for me, these are my boyfriend's shoes, but I wanted to do this video because these are shoes that I would die for. But anyway, let's get started. So if you know or have seen unboxing of these shoes, you probably know which shoe this is with the box because the box is kind of different. It's black with the red Nike logo, and then here at the front it has this like this door that you can open, and then there's like this plastic thing here on the other side so you can see the shoe, but I'm not going to open it even though it's a bit open. But yeah, I don't want to open it. And then there's these plastics, and here it says Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan 1, and then other stuff like, yeah. And ta-da! So these are the Air Jordan 1s from the Off-White and Nike collaboration from the 10, and these are the UNC colorway. I really like this colorway, even though in real life the blue is actually very vivid, or yeah, it's really blue, or like turquoise blue, light blue. But yeah, these shoes from StockX retail around 1,000, a bit over 1,000 euros. Some sizes go for 800 or something like that, and these are the cheapest Air Jordan 1 from the 10 collection. But I think the colorway is really nice. I would wear these myself. And yeah, let's take the other one out as well. And then it comes with two laces, like light blue, the same color as the shoe, and then orange because the shoe has like orange details, so that's pretty cool. And I really like, I've seen photos with these two laces like this, so it looks really nice if you mix the laces. And then also there's white laces on the shoe right now. So it's nice that the shoes come with many colors of laces. I think that's cool. But yeah, so here it has the 85 logo like they have in all the Air Jordan 1s. And then these also have like this foam detail over the shoe like they have in most of the Off-White and Nike shoes. And then on the other side it says the Off-White for Nike Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. And here it says Air, and then I really like these stitching details from the swoosh. And then it has like the normal Nike logo here and then the Air Jordan logo. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox these because this is like super cool that we got these shoes, even though we are going to be selling these because yeah, it's not our size and we just wanted to see it in real life because we got them for pretty cheap. But yeah, super excited to see these live because I've seen people wear these, or not actually these pair, but I've seen, well, some other Air Jordan 1s from the 10 collection, and they really make a statement. So yeah, it's cool to see these in person. And also the Air Jordan 1 is the most hyped model from the 10 collection. Not all the colorways, but the Chicago, the red one, that really is like the most hyped shoe. And the ask for that size, for my size, and the Chicago colorway is, I think it's 9,000 something. So yeah, I would really love that shoe, but no. And this shoe from StockX, it's around 1,000 to 1,500 depending on the size. But yeah, these aren't that expensive, so if you're looking for a Air Jordan 1 from the 10 collection, this colorway is the cheapest because the white one, that goes around 2,000 and something like that. So yeah, and this colorway is, I think, a bit cooler than the white one because the white one isn't really, well, It does look different than the normal Jordan ones, but yeah, this definitely everyone will see and know what shoe you're wearing if you're wearing these, and same goes for the red one. I don't really have anything else to say. I just wanted to show these because I'm super excited, and yeah, maybe someday I will get these for myself, even though the women's sizes or the smaller sizes are much more expensive. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!